Alright, so we're here with standout defender for Jamaica College, Romain Blake. First of all, congrats on the win. Congrats on making it to the finals. How do you feel about today's performance from your team?
Well, I think it was a good performance from us. Coming out playing so many games in a small time, and I think we dealt with it well. Yeah.
Alright, tactically, what were you guys trying to do? Because St. Andrew Technical, they have some very skilled players, they have some pacey players. What were you guys trying to do as defenders and going forward, to nullify them in today's game?
I think we come out and do the job, and that's it. Yeah, just come out and do the job. Yeah.
Alright, you guys will meet them again in the Manning Cup finals. Will you be better prepared, and what are some things that you look forward to in that game that you pick up from this game?
Well, we have to just go back and preview the game and fix what the mistakes we have done and the mistakes they have done, so we can capitalize. Yes.
Yeah. This was a big moment for a schoolboy, making it to the finals. We saw, was it nerves in the first half? You see you guys, the backline and the keeper not being as coherent as you guys, were in previous games. Was it some nerves there, or were you guys just didn't have it together today?
No, I think it's just football, and we're a bit tired, So we come out, and second half we came out and fix it and come together, and that's it. Yeah.
Again, send a message to the JC supporters, they want to know, can JC win the treble this year? Talk to us.
I think we'll make the talking do on the pitch, but yeah, we'll make the talking do on the pitch.
They have it from Romain Blake. Congrats again, baller.
Thanks.
Yeah, man.